Alright guys, what's going on? Brady back here with another pair to show y'all, and I'm super excited to show you guys this pair of shoes, man. These are not out yet. They come out April 16th. Any guesses? You see the box? I'm not going to show you the side. Yeah, I'm not going to show you the side. I'll show you this, if you can see it. Anyway, alright, here we go. Woo, boy, oh boy. And man, these are a Jordan 1 Low SE. As you can see some of the detail on these. Got the 23 on the laces here. And just the pink, it's kind of pastelish. The purple, man, the stitching is like, the purple stitching on these even goes crazy, dude. Like, you probably can't see it all that well, but I'm telling you, wow. Wow. Look, if you're a guy and you don't have a pair of pink shoes, why? Man, pastel pink shit goes so hard. Don't be wearing no hot pink, fuchsia, none of that. But this shit, bro, these were supposed to be an Easter shoe. Man, I'm super pumped to have these. I'm gonna try to cop another pair. They come out April 16th, you guys, which is, I don't know, 4 days, something like that. 3 days? I don't know, I forget what day it is. But anyway, these are hard, bro. You guys gotta try to get you a pair. I think the resale on these is probably gonna be like, I don't know, probably 200, 220. They're retailing for 100. Don't resell these, man. If you're a guy and you don't wanna wear them, let the females get them. Because these are tough, man. So, appreciate your sneakers, take care of them, wear them, and yeah, bro, I appreciate y'all watching this video, and I'm gonna have some fire to show y'all again real soon. I'm out.